Okay, so I started filming this and I got both of my eyes and my foundation and concealer done, and I realized that my camera had cut me off. So I just took off one eye and patched up the foundation, and I'm going to show you how I got this look. Now, I don't remember which part got cut off. If you're wondering why I decided to do this look, a lovely subscriber of mine named Connie, I'm going to go into the color Premiere, go into the crease, requested me to do a makeup look using this palette and some of the blue shades. So the shade Charmer was just really calling me my name. Now I'm going to go into the shade Spoiled. Same thing. So I've created this look and I really like it. It looks pretty. So I'm really blowing out those two shades. And then I'm going to go into this shade here called Unboxing, and I'm going to go in with my finger, tap that all over the lid. Okay, and now I'm going to blend that out. I am going to go in with a powder brush and just try and clean up some of that fallout. I wasn't too worried about it when I did my makeup on the other side, but I didn't have my foundation on it. So I'm gonna just lay down some of this powder to hopefully make it a little bit easier. And this is the Velvetizer by Urban Decay. And then for my concealer and my foundation, I went in with these two concealers, Physicians Formula Natural Defense, and the concealer from Wet n Wild, the Photofouce concealer. And my foundation, I used the Healthy foundation from Physicians Formula. Also, I don't know where I put it though. I'm going to go back into the shade Unboxing with my finger and just darken that up on the lid. Okay, so now I'm going in with a glitter primer on the back of my hand. And this is a flat shader brush or crease brush. It's just like a domed flat brush. And I'm going to go from the middle out. So just like the outer 2/3. Don't look up. You don't want to touch that glue to the top of your eyelid. Okay, and now I'm going to go into that Charmer shade. And tap that on the lid. I do think that you 100% need a primer, like a glitter glue for this color, to make it really pop. I'm going to go in with that sunsetty blending brush that I was using and just get the edges with the shade Spoiled, which is that orangey color. It's okay to go back in with your foundation brush and just like clean up that edge a bit. I'm going to go in with a little teeny tiny baby brush like this. And I'm going to go into the Cup of Joe shade. And I'm just going to get that inner corner and drag it in. Okay. You hear the birds? I'm going to go back in with this glitter glue, and I'm going to get the first half of the lid, or first third of the lid, I should say. And then I'm going to go into the shade Swipe Up. And that is how I got that look. And then last but not least, you go back in, where to go, with that blending brush and just tap that glitter on the outside to make sure it's not like going crazy. To finish up the eyes, I'm going to go in with my, this is so baby. Look at it, I have to buy a new one. It's all that's left, it's so little. The Infallible Longwear Eye Pencil Crayon in Cobalt Blue. And I'm not going to go all the way across, I'm just going to go at the base of my lash line here, my waterline, and I'm just going to drag that in. Okay. I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise. Why did I say that like that? Like so slowly. The mascara face. You're welcome. I know that was so cute. Mascara. No mascara. Ooh, I didn't tell you guys that. So on Saturday, do you like how I talk to myself before I talk to you guys? Yeah. On Saturday, Travis and I went for an eye appointment, and it was our first eye appointment since we bought our house. Actually, the last time we both went to the eye doctor was when we was living with his father-in-law in between our apartment and our house. Yeah, so I picked out new glasses, and I'm really, really excited because they are so stinking cute. Oh my god, and the doctor was so funny. He's like, you're farsighted with nearsighted astigmatism. We have a very clinical term for that. You can't see shit. I was like, what? He was like, yeah, I know. ICCS. I can't see shit. I was like, oh my god, okay. I'm gonna go into a flat shader brush like this one. And I'm going to go into the Boxy shade right here. And also into the Spoiler shade, like at the same time. And I'm going to run those underneath the lash line. Just like that. I'm kind of all out of place, out of order, but go into some brows. And this is the KVD Signature Brow Pencil. Brush through those. Looking good. I'm going to use some brow gel today. I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl Professional Natural Lash. It's just like a clear, big brow gel. It's basically hairspray for your brows. Or hair gel. I'm going to go into the Butter Bronzer and I'm going to do some bronzer because this look is calling for some sunshine. Would it be like too much to do a red lip with this look? I'm just like really loving them lately. Some Nick Bronze. That wasn't quite enough bronzer for me, so I'm going to go into the Tarte Park Avenue Princess bronzer. I'm going to go into a peachier a peachier blush. This is the Note Desert Rose number 5. What little thing? This is blush. Would you like some?
No. No.
Okay, so I'm gonna go into the Note blush. I really love this this brush that I have right here. It is an Alamar brush from Alamar Cosmetics, and it's a complexion brush, and I just absolutely love it for my blush brush. It is like the best blush brush ever. It just applies the blush so perfectly in like the right spot. Like, right? Like, look at that. Okay. Highlighter. And I think I want to use this Wet n Wild I'm So Lit highlighter. It's one of their loose highlighters. We just talked about how loaded this brush is right now. Let's see, you're supposed to swirl, tap, ah. Okay. Oh my gosh, this highlighter is everywhere. A little bit of setting spray. This is the Skin Co. Oh my god, I'm almost out. Do you see that? This is my favorite. It's so good. And then last but not least, I'm going to do my lips. I just don't know how I'm going to do them yet. I'm going to go into the lip liner called Plush from Unique. Oh, I'm sorry. You totally can't see any of that. I really like that color. Okay, so then I'm going to go into the liquid lipstick from Ofra. This is their old packaging, and this is in the shade Verona. Okay, and then I'm also going to take, because I'm a cocktail over here, the shade Virgo, in the, I think it's Wet n Wild. I think this is Wet n Wild, the Virgo, like, Zodiac collection. And I'm going to tap that on a Cupid's bow. And like the middle of my bottom lip. Because more is more, and glitter is always better, right? Because I just don't know when to put the glitter down. I just tapped a little bit of the Bella Pierre Cosmetics glitter right on like the, do you see that? Like right on the top of the Cupid's bow. It adds a little bit of a texture to your lips, but I don't know, I like glitter, so I don't mind it. Yeah, that's this completed look for you guys.